Hello guys, this is Mike from McProgramming.org. In this tutorial, it'll be very short. It's just on comments. And if you have programmed in any other languages, you probably already know this. But if you don't, or if you haven't, what a comment is are special symbols that, in this case, I'm going to talk about two specific ones. There's the backslash backslash, where maybe this is just going to be one line that you want to write, such as this prints out hello world, and it can either be a comment for you or it can be a comment for your instructor or whoever is looking over your code, and lets them know the idea of what's behind your logic. And this comes in handy in really complex programs where maybe you come back to it, a month or a year later, and you aren't thinking the same way you were thinking when you were programming it, so you're kind of lost in your own work. So let alone someone else's work that you weren't even in the right mindset of what they were thinking. So you need this code or these comments sometimes to really help you guide you through some complex codes. And another thing that you can code, this is how you would do multi-lines, is you would do one backslash and a star, and then you can do a star for each line that you want coded, and to end or commented, and to end that, what you would do is you would write star and then a backslash. So everything within here to here, so anything contained within these backslashes is commented out, and that's a good way to where you don't have to write these two backslashes all the time. It makes it a little bit cleaner, and a lot of teachers require that you write your name and the project number or date, stuff like that. So those are two types of ways to comment your work. And as you know, or as you may not know, when you comment something and you run it, let me save this and I will run it. What I commented does not get printed out. It actually, the compiler doesn't even look at it. So, well, it does, but it knows that it's a comment, so it doesn't worry about it. So that is pretty much just for the person reading back the code or trying to go back and debug it and know exactly what's going on. I recommend that you guys do that. I don't do that unless it's necessary or I'm doing a really big file, just because I guess I'm lazy, but it's a good habit to get into, and it's mandatory for work and usually mandatory for classes. So there you go, guys. That's comments. Thank you very much. Please subscribe below.